My people, I welcome una to my YouTube channel. As una know me before, na me be Delta Tatafo Princess, the girl wey no dey mind her business. For today's story ogbonge story na about Italy lockdown, how e go take end, how government take decide am, how e go take end. Now I come give una. And as I come bring am come here, so abeg, if today na your first time to see this YouTube channel, abeg make you subscribe, make you like, make you share, then make you click the notification button so that if I upload any confirm matter, confirm story, make you dey aware. No keep am to yourself. Once again, for those of una when they make this my channel dey grow, thanks for watching. I appreciate. The Italy lockdown matter when I come talk be say, see as the government take talk am. Then say, say this lockdown, national lockdown don dey play since March 9, 2020. On the 9th of March 2020. So that they extend them due to the death rates, due to the way people take they carry this coronavirus. So they can't extend them. The time when they extend them go April 14. Yes, April 14. When they can't say April 14 for 2020, say library and stationaries and where they say children clothes go open. Then they extend them go for this April. But the thing no can work out. Before they can say the thing it never go down, so that make them still look into the matter. So they can't look into the matter now. Then April 18, on the 18th of April, they can say agricultural and the industrial company go suppose open before. There's some open, but it not can be like the way activities, the way the thing they go before. They can't open. They can say no. They can't lock and down. They can't say no. Say the thing not go fit because people still they die every day. This virus still they keep people every day. People they die. Even myself, I tire. I dey pity for them. I dey pity for Italians. They can't extend the lockdown. Go on the 4th of May, May 4th. So May 4th now. They say free movement go day. On the 4th of May, free movement go day, but you go wear your mask with long distance. You go dey, in fact, we go dey give each other chance. If you see person stand for here, you go stand for there. If you see person stand for there, you go stand for the other side. You go wear your mask with as in the social distance. The distance go long well for that May 4th. We go dey give each other, and then where they sell furnitures and clothes and stores like stores where they sell clothes go open. You fit go buy clothes where they sell furniture go open for that May 4th. Not be say they really dey sure now when the thing don't go down. Then they can't guess. Say if the thing should go down, May 11, make una dey take this date then down. No, na guess the day na Italian government dey. Now would they just they predict them that they guess say in case the death rates go down, the coronavirus it decrease, say not going to increase like every day again. May 11, they say courts like all these professional office go open, courts go open. All these judge them go court, lawyers they go courts, go open. Then May 18, bars and restaurants. You know say Italians they like restaurant where they like bar. So many this period now hungry self they be there. Not say they don't get the food for house, so they get them, but the hunger is too much because they no sabi cook. Some they go restaurants, some just they not say they never sabi cook. They their restaurant, they like go restaurant, go bars, go have fun. So that May 18, they take the date down. May 18, they say bars and restaurants go open. That one na if the death see go down. Then May 25, hairdressing salon, barber salon where they do hair, where they barb go come open. May 25, it go open. Go come open. That one na if it open now with, if you must go barb your hair, you go wear mask. If you must go plait your hair, you go wear mask, and you go give social distance. Safety distance, when I mean safety, you go stand for long side. In fact, everybody go enter line. When they attend to the next person finish, before you go fit go near them. May 31st, all this football championship and other sports go start. For May 31st, football championship and other sports go start for May 31st. And when they want to start, so they go wear mask, and they just dey guess, so not be say that na the date, the way they say put am for the news. They guess say if the death rate of coronavirus don go down for their country, May 31st football and championship sports, other one go start. Then June 8th, sports center go come open. Sports center go come open, and if sports center open, you go still need to wear mask. Sports center and church. The church, when you wan open, so as you dey go church, they no go gather like before again. Oh, you go give social distance, safety distance. You go give each other a chance, and you go wear mask. You go sanitize well. That one, now when e be say they don dey sure say the death rate don dey go down, the people when they get am, e don still dey reduce. Then for September, after that June 8th, when church and sports center don open, for September, nursery and primary school go come open, but they never decide am yet. Una see as this corona, e really take this country. For September, nursery and primary school go open. With high school, they go open, but they never really decide am yet. Then they come guess say, if this thing coronavirus true go down, e no dey kill like before again. Then December, shey una see the way that they give am gap by gap, that they give the months gap. December, cinema with theater go come open, with all those places like all those gathering and other place like studio and all that go come open. Where they do all those dance class, yoga class and all that, they go come open. People fit still go still jolly small for September. They guess, so not be say they say na wetin go happen, but now they guess in the sense that under probability say the coronavirus don go down, and the death no be like before again. And go open. Then after that December, when we don enter 2021, may God help us. So God help Tatafo Princess. God help your children when they Italy. God help Italians, because this country, they don't see pepper this period. Then March 2020, if to say the death don't they really declare pata. You see that place where they do disco with stadium, disco. When I mean disco, club, all those places where they go groove. Because Italians, they like disco where it go come open for March 2020, next 2021, 2021, next year. All those disco, ground club, they jolly, they do festa, it go come open. That one I be say the death don't clear. Where e no dey kill again. Cure don dey, solution don dey. Then that same March 31st, when e don reach March ending, the same 2021, say corona don finish kpata. They go come open their border. Because for now, nobody dey come in Italy, nobody dey go out. Everybody dey one place. That March 31st, say the corona don't finish, pata. They go come open their border. Those when they travel come up for Italy before, they go fit come. Those when they won't come up for Italy, go another country. When they don't, they hold down for a year because of corona, they go fit come out. Next year, not be this year, my people, make una take this date down. If you get this information, share it with people. Share it with your friends, your family. Next year, March ending. Una know say the thing starts from March 2020. So March 2021, if corona finish that time, say no, they kill again, cure don't they? You know they kill their people, they know they contact the virus again. All activities will come start normal. Everything will come go back to normal. So wetin dey for me and you now na for we to dey pray hard, dey pray, especially we when e dey Italy, make we dey pray hard, say God abeg make this koro finish. Even me, I don tire to stay house, we don tire to stay house, make activities go on like normal again. Abeg, God abeg, your children dey pray. Wetin dey for you now na to dey pray for Italy. Me know say una don dey pray for Italy since, so but abeg make we still try our best. Una see all this one na wetin Italians predict, they don guess say na the way the activities go take go on, make the user and take dey follow the corona step by step, step by step. And this information I bring come give una today, say I don see this vital information, and this one dey na ogbonge information well, so make una help me, make una share am. As I no go keep am to myself, I can't give una based on tatafo when I be here and so people business at the put mouth. So but this one na for me and you, for me and you good. Now make me bring am come, make I come share with una. Once again, na me that they call Delta Tatafo Princess when no dey mind her business. I appreciate una when they take una time, they watch me. Thank you very much. I beg, make you subscribe, like, and share. Make you click the notification button so that if I get another information, because I dey get information well, if I get another one, I go still bring am come here. And make you like, make you drop your comments. If maybe wetin I talk, you see as it dey, my sister, my brother, put your opinion, drop your comments. The thing na cooperation, I make rice plenty for pots. 1 + 1 na 2. If you bring your opinion, I add my own. The life go dey do wetin, go dey sweet, dey go. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Oya chop kiss again.